Here, I'm here with the squad. Action. Subscribe and like this video. My goal is to reach about 5 likes, 1 subscriber by this video. By a day. But make sure you subscribe to be a part of the squad. Action though. That extra action though. Okay, let's get started with the video. Today I'm gonna be playing some Roblox. I'm gonna show y'all how to get on Prison Life. How to get the criminals easier. Sorry about that, guys. Why am I not talking? Because I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this. I'm a YouTuber, so I'm giving it all I got right now. Don't judge me. Like me. Actually, don't judge nobody. You judge me. What if they come out to be rich? And you some poor. So you like, bro, like what is that? Like y'all can hear me? Y'all can hear me? Can y'all hear me? Okay, I think so. So let's get with the video. Yeah. I shouldn't switch names. Oh yeah, I thought I couldn't. Put the seat in. Never do the hill though. That beautiful hill. What you doing? Stop shooting at me, homie. I'm on the team. Gosh, is everybody freezing or glitching or something? So what you do, you join as a guard. So you either run or drive a car to the criminal base. I think everybody knows what the criminal base is. Oh, don't shoot me. Thank you. Don't shoot me. Oh, I got a free ride too. Free ride. Who gives people free ride? Well, I give some people free ride. As long as they pay me. And they got that gas. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so glitchy today. Cars. Like, man. Like, see, they keep going over to the side. I should turn around. Guess what? I didn't go get out the car. I'm a prisoner, you dumb. I mean, I'm not no prisoner. I'm a guard, you dumb. You shooting a guard. Go get your car, follow me. This one I'm going to a criminal base. So be a criminal. Everybody gonna start shooting at you though. You gotta quit. That's what you gotta do. You gotta be. Press that share button if you're on computer. If you're not on computer, nothing will happen. So you gotta push. It's a lot of people in here. You gotta push shift, and then just step on his red rings. Voila, you're criminal. So that was it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just do it. I don't know how to get up. But still, that's the end of the video today, guys. So make sure you subscribe, be part of the squad, and that's it. All you gotta do, simple as that. So, see you. I'm probably gonna be making the next video 2 days after this, maybe 3. I don't know, cause I'm busy. I gotta do a lot of stuff. So, bye. Make sure you hit the like button too.